Good morning, Namaste India. Welcome you all to India Talk. You know, we always have a special guest at Namaste India for India Talk. But this time we thought, let us have a guest who is within us, who is there all the time talking to us. चलो आज ऐसे ही एक स्पेशल गेस्ट से मिलते हैं। तो मैंने अपने आप से पूछा, क्या क्या करने आए हो तुम यहाँ पर इस दुनिया में? Alright, you must be surprised by this lady sitting out and talking, but sometimes we have to go with the flow of whatever is happening with us, around us. So I'm very sorry for any disturbance, which is because I'm on the main road and talking to all of our Namaste India friends. And the thought of talking to oneself बहुत जरूरी है। अगर हम अपने आप से बातें नहीं करेंगे, I'm not telling you talk and get all the negative vibes in you. मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, मेरे साथ ही ये हो रहा है, लोग मेरे ही पीछे पड़े हुए हैं, and all such thoughts they do come to you, but you are your best healer. Healer in the sense आप अपने आप को ठीक कर सकते हो। आपके जैसा डॉक्टर आपको बाहर नहीं मिलेगा। It is all within you. It is in your heart. So bring out that doctor, and whenever you are in any kind of ordeals, any kind of difficulties, any kind of problems, चाहे कितनी भी मुश्किलें आए, एक smile, एक belief, yes, God is with me and He is going to support me. He is going to be with me in any difficulty of life, and you'll be out of it. Negative thoughts बहुत आते हैं. I feel sometimes यार ये सब बहुत हो गया. I don't want to live anymore. I'll go and die यार. मरना ही सही है. But why? जब भगवान ने डिसाइड किया है कि आपको कब मरना है, तो मैं क्यों अपने आप को सोचूं कि मैं मर के दिखूं? I don't have that right. That right is my Almighty. He has the right when I have to be born. He has the right when I have to die. So, anytime any such thoughts, that evil thoughts come into your mind, shake it off. We have a soda shop next to me, and it reminded me of something. Someone used to say that if life gives you stones, give it something like diamonds or something. So if life is shaking you, I tell you, put some ice cream in yourself, put some soda in yourself, shake it well, दिमाग ठंडा करके, and have it like an ice cream soda. That will be the best phase of your life, I tell you. We have something to add on today. It's the rain. Who doesn't like rain? We all love rains, don't we? Yes, and we all love to sing, dance, and play in the rain, depending on our age and also our health. Some people you'll be finding running in the rain, dancing in the rain, jumping in the rain. मुझे याद है वो पडल्स होते थे ना, हम लोग उसमें बहुत कूदते थे और इतनी मजा आती थी ना, जंप मार मार के पूरे गंदे होके फिर घर जाना और मम्मी की डांट खाना, ये क्या बन के आए हो. But that was great fun, Why don't we have those moments again? क्यों नहीं हम कर सकते? अगर हम खुद नहीं कर सकते, let's try with small pebbles. If we can put those small pebbles in the puddles and let the water splash out. That splash gives you an ecstasy, that moment. Wow, voila. And your heart is becoming cheerful, happy. I remember Rajesh Khanna speaking, Babu Moshai. Remember? This world is a stage and we all are actors in it. Actors coming to play our roles. मैं आई हूँ, मैं चले जाऊंगी. आप आए हो, आप चले जाओगे. कोई भी इस दुनिया में परमानेंट नहीं रहने वाला. So, अगर आप आए हो, अपनी acting best करो. Give the best to your world, and it's not necessary you'll be remembered or not. There was a poem in English where we had learned that I don't want to be famous when I die. Just when I die, put me in the grave where nobody knows in which island I'm lying. There should be no tombstone. उस पे लिखा रहता है फलाने बंदे का ग्रेव है और वो यहाँ पे मरा है, कब पैदा हुआ था, कब मरा था, फिर उसके लिए कुछ लाइंस लिखी जाती है. I don't want all these things. I want to just live a happy life, a contented life. जब हमारे दिल में ये आ जाए कि हाँ मेरी लाइफ कंटेंटेड है, मैं संतुष्ट हूँ अपनी जिंदगी से, उससे अच्छी लाइफ कुछ नहीं है. I may earn thousands, I have earned thousands, I have earned lakhs, I can earn crores. But at the end of the day, if I am not satisfied with that earning which I have earned, nothing is useful for me. वो सब पैसा बेकार है मेरे लिए. आपने सुना होगा बहुत सारे लोग they die because of lot of richness. अमीरी की वजह से वो लोग इतने अकेले हो जाते हैं कि कुछ दोस्त उनको छोड़ के चले जाते हैं. There are people who have lived the life of a rich person, a king, but when they die, they are just like a pauper. They have lived so much dependent on a person and a ragged life, you can call it. Money is nothing. Money is just going to stay with you for some time. जो रहेगा वो आप, आपके friends, आपकी family. Yes, true friends are like diamonds, precious and so rare, but false ones are like stones scattered everywhere. So find out those precious friends जिनके साथ आपको अच्छा लगे, चाहे वो आधा घंटा, 1 घंटा या पूरे 24 घंटे. So lot of wind is blowing here. So just think of it, find it. It's not a very big talk as we have with so many people till now we had. It is a very short, but I'll try to make it sweet. You know, our tongue, हमारी ज़बान पे हम तीखा, मीठा, नमकीन, कड़वा, खट्टा सभी प्रकार के टेस्ट हम एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं, है ना? उसी तरह हमारी लाइफ भी हमें हर एक टाइप का टेस्ट देती है. Let us taste it, let us enjoy each part of it. करेले भी हम खा लेते हैं, मिठाइयाँ भी खाते हैं. खट्टे सांबर हो या खट्टा नींबू हो, आंवला हो, चाहे कोई भी चीज हो, when we taste it, we enjoy, we relish it. Why don't we taste the life, the fruits of life in a similar way? That is the talk for today. See you soon. I wanted to sing many songs, you know, but people will think what has happened with this lady. I'm just on the street talking to you. I'll just show you the road here. Fine. So thank you again and Namaste India. Jai Hind all of you and happy Father's Day to all the fathers there. My father is no more, but all the other fathers, my father figures, those who have been like fathers to me, I really adore them, respect them, love them. My good wishes for their health and to be very contented in their life. सभी पिताजी जो मेरे पिताजी के समान हैं, सभी लोग, उनको मेरे तरफ से हैप्पी फादर्स डे. थैंक यू एंड नमस्ते इंडिया. बाय बाय.